पळोवंक शकता एक बोटी उजो लागलेलो हांगा बिट्टोण हांगासर थंयच्यान आतां हाई पणजे मांडवी कडेन येयल्ली आसा आनी ती बोटी उजो लागून बोट घातलेली आसा आनी तशी ती बोट हांगा घेवन मांडवी कडेन येयल्ली आहा पणजे आनी आतां फायर ब्रिगेड येवन फायर ब्रिगेड उजो पालोवपाक लागून तेंच्यांनी ट्राय केल्ली आसा तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता की फायर ब्रिगेड आतां देवन हांगा बोटीचो उजो पालयता तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता पळय ही बोटी उजो लागलेलो बेतीन हांगासर आनी बेतींतल्यान ही बोट तशीच उजो पेटलेलो येवन ती बोट तशीच पणजे मांडवी कडेन पावल्ली आसा
आता न्हिदपाक म्हाका चान्स मेळ्ळो ऑलमोस्ट उजो पालयलो
5:15 आमकां कॉल येयले बोटीक उजो पेटला मालीम जेटीन आमी रोखडोच टर्न आवट केलो येवन पळयत जाल्यार बोट मदीं दर्यान आसलेली आमी हांगा पणजे येयले मागीर कॅप्टन पोर्टाची बोट येयली आनी तेंच्यांनी ओडून हे जेटीक हाडून लायली मागीर आमी तीन होस सोडून फायर फायटींग चालू केलें आनी तशीच आमची पणजेची गाडी मागयली तिवूय येयली आनी दोगांयनी मेळोन आमी उजो पालयलो
पयलीं कॉल येयलो पर्वरी
हय पर्वरी येयला 5:15
आनी बोटीर कोण आशिल्ल्याची खबर बीन तशी कितें
ना कोण ना न्हू पात्रांवय ना कोण ना
आसा आनी तातूंत कॅप्टन ऑफ फोर्ट्सांनी आपल्या वाटेंतल्यानी बोट वाजोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो कशें पळय
आमकां मरे around 5:30 we just got a call saying that one boat caught fire at Narlega jetty. It's a private jetty over there. So boat name of the Cape Tide and we immediately put our team in action. We have our sailors and masters. So immediately we send our tugboat because the tugboat has all this firefighting system on board. So what has happened? That boat caught fire. I don't know. We have to just investigate how it caught fire. And the moorings also, the ropes they caught fire, and the boat they've got parted, and the boat started drifting. So immediately our team immediately was sent, and they just got a boat, towed it, means just pushed it to a safe location where even the firefighters and the firefighting team, our fire brigade can fight. So it was brought to this bank, from the other bank, it was brought to this bank. Yes, just next to the Naughty Industry jetty together. And we, along with the firefighters, our fire brigade, just under observe fire.
So it took around 1.5 hour in the water.
Yeah.
Is there any machinery failure to get extinguish the fire?
No,
in the sea?
the thing in this case, that vessel was it was just at the jetty and it was unmanned. Okay, so there is the firefighting system, everything is there. But a big fire once it is it expands, then it's beyond control. So luckily there was no people on board, no crew on board, so no casualty and all. But like in this case, we have our system already. We are equipped, Captain of Ports Department is equipped with all this emergency. Then we have the SAP in place. So then what we just used it now for extinguishing this fire and like this type of eventualities.
So do you think you need to new guideline needs to set for this type of incident not to happen again?
No. See, we already have a SOP in place in case of fire. All type of SOP, almost around some 10-12 SOPs are there. Okay, like fire, onboard, flooding, grounding, all types of eventualities. In case we already have it in place. That is what we used over here. So anyway, it was all our department and also the fire department. They just timely they came and everything is all normalized. The boat has been towed back to the place where it was berthed, Narvika Jetty.
फातोडेर विक्टोना सायटी 4:30 ते 5 ह्याच्या मदीं एक सायट सिंगाची बोट आहा तिका उजो लागलो आनी तेच्या उपरांत मागीर 5:15 सुमार आमचे परवरी फायर ब्रिगेड फायर सर्वीस तांकां कॉल येयलो आनी तशेंच मागीर तेंच्यांनी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाक कॉल केलो आनी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाची बोट वचोन ऑलरेडी बोट मदीं पावलेली आनी तेन्ना कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाची बोट वचोन तिका सायडीक दुखलीत मांडवी म्हणजे जी आमची डेल्टन जॅक बोट जी आसा पणजे त्याच्या कुशीक घेवन येयले आनी इतलो उजो पेटलेलो तिका कंप्लिटली ते बोटीक खूब उजो पेटलेलो वयल्यान जी तेजे फायबर आहले तेका कंप्लीट जळोन हें जाल्लेलें आनी आमची फायर सर्विसीन येवन तिका तिजो उजो पालयलो आनी तेज्या उपरांत मागीर आमची पणजेची फायर सर्वीस आसली ती हांगा पावली आनी असो तरेन हो उजो पालोवन क्लियर केल्लेले आसा आनी हितून कोणाक कांय जावना कोण नासलेलो एक बरें एक हें आसा कोणाक कांय जावना म्हणून आनी तशेंच आमचो कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचो जो डायरेक्टर आहा त्यांनी आमकां सांगलें की रोखडोच 5:15 सुमार फायर सर्विसींग कॉल येयलो रोखडोच मागीर तांकां 5:30 सुमार असो ह्या दरम्यान भितून तांकां कॉल येयलो तशेंच ते घटना रोखडे पावले ते घटनाचेर आनी तेंच्यांनी हो उजो पालयलो अशे तरेन तेंच्यांनी क्लियर केल्लेले आसा अशीच आमी तुमकां अपडेट हाडीत रावतले सो पयत जाय पळावा इन गोवा.